Hi, Internet. This is your girl, Pippi Hale. And this is my best friend / cousin, Caitlin.
Die!
And we have a can of, we bought some Coke, and we're going to try to destroy it. We wanted to do this on the street, but there's like people over there. So, yeah. So we're just going to continually throw this, and then I'm going to stab it with a screwdriver. Why? Because it's funny.
Oh, geez, I want to watch this.
I'm scared!
Just stab it.
Okay. I'm going to get Coke all over my outfit. I'm so cute today. I told you I was going to get Coke all over my outfit. Dude, that was fun.
Oh my god, I want to do it again.